All right, taking a look at this 1949 GMC 100 truck. This truck is sitting on a Camaro front stub, Camaro rear end, 350 motor, 350 trans. Really cool truck in this satin flat silver. Nice wood floor, very good shape all the way around. Paint is not perfect. It's a driver. It's been driven. It's got some flaws in it, but it shows really nice. All new glass, all new wiring, four-wheel disc brakes, new gauges. I do have a sending unit for the fuel gauge. All the other gauges are hooked up. I believe the speedo needs to be hooked up. Let's see. Turn the key here, and it's got a starter button on this side. Headers, nice sounding exhaust. Electric fan. It says power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes, four-barrel carb headers, good sounding exhaust. Cool features on this truck. On the hood there, guy did a nice job putting that ridge on the hood, some French headlights. Look very cool. Steelies with the GMC poverty hubcaps. Very fun truck, good running and driving truck.